YouTube, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna be dyeing my hair, and I'm scared because I haven't dyed my hair. I haven't dyed my hair since I guess 2014. I had dyed my hair blonde in 2014, and I want to try red, but I'm scared. I'm gonna show y'all. I don't know if you can see, but it's ruby red. Adore. So I got the dye. I have the liquid, the liner. I got a 20 because it'll change the color quick, and I got BW2 packets. I got 2 with these. So basically I'm just going to mix the powder with this liquid together, and that's going to turn my hair blonde. So once I get it bright how I want it, I'm just going to apply the dye. I'm scared. Oh, I got the plastic caps too. So I section my hair in 4s, and I got this part out because it's the part I'm gonna dye. So they said to bleach the ends first and work your way up to the top. So I'm gonna go ahead and mix these two in a bowl, and I don't have the brush, so I'm just gonna use my gloves. So yeah. So it's turning, but it's feel like mine gonna be like 2 different colors. And I guess I really gotta make sure that I get all the colors. But it looks like this in the middle is really bad on the sides. On my sides. Oh my god, y'all! I really did it. It don't even look like the back is. I'm scared. Okay. I think I'm gonna let it sit a little bit, but I don't want it to sit so long because I'm trying to burn my scalp off now. Okay. I'm gonna let it sit for a little bit. Okay, so it's turning a lot, but I think the back I didn't really get good, but I'm gonna try to work it through the back. And right now I don't think I'm gonna wash this out. So I bleached it, and it's like I'm thinking about this color, y'all. I don't know, like it's pretty and it matched my eyes. So but I think I'm gonna do red because I always wanted to do red. So I think I'm gonna just go red. But when I see this color, I just stopped and I just was like, this is pretty. I don't know. I'm gonna do red because I bought this, so I'm not gonna waste it. So we're gonna get that in my head. And you know, this is the color that I dyed my hair the first time when I dyed my hair in 2014. It was this color. Oh my god, y'all. I did it. I do know that when you do dye your hair, I know you're supposed to keep it oiled a lot. Mostly every day or every other week, because dye kind of eats your hair. So I have to overly dye my hair, literally. So I'm gonna just, I don't use one, but I bought two. But I'm gonna make sure I really fill it in so I'm not missing nothing. I thought I was gonna have to use two. That's why I bought two. But one bottle worked. So, but when you're using the BW2, the powder packet, you should get two, because one wouldn't work. So I think I'm gonna put a plastic cap on my head, and then I'm gonna let this sit so the dye can really get in there. And I know some of my hair is black in the back. I really don't know how the back of my hair looks. I don't know. I'm really red. Like, I cannot believe this. I gotta make sure I get my edges, baby. Don't forget the edges, baby. Y'all believe this? I'm gonna style it. I don't know if I want to flat iron my hair since I just dyed it. I do not want to flat iron it. Nope, I'm gonna have to wait probably. I don't know. Well, I'm done. I don't know if my hair look crunched up because it's curly, but I like it, and I think I just have to style it for right now. So I'm gonna style it, and then I'm gonna get back with you guys in my next video.